Morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. So last week, lot of students from June, July, August batch received the offer letters, and minimum, I think 12 to 13, 14 lakh salaries. They're able to get it. I'll share those success stories with you. So a couple of people already received the offer letters, and a few more guys yet to relieve the offer letters. Probably in this week they will be able to get it. So all these guys from BCom background and sales background. One guy is from he has done his MBA from Australia and started his own business. Now he was able to crack the interview in I think Cap Gemini and with 12 lakhs of salary package, right? So and others are also coming from 2010 back, passed out and almost BCom MBA guys, and they also cracked two more interviews with Bangalore company, but as of now work from home. And one guy is from Tirupati and one guy is from I think is from Hyderabad itself, right? So yeah. And guys, so lot of guys are slowly cracking the interviews. So all the documentations and everything, if you want to get it, so get it and keep it ready. And we have done the data warehousing schemas and how to load the data, which is completely a practical driven approach. So people who know SSIS, they can watch the video, the previous video, and load the data into the data warehousing. So today's concept is types of dimensions and facts. Very, very, very important class it is. And already you know what is a data warehouse and what is a data mart and what is ODS and what is a dimension, what is a fact, and what are the schemas and what is a normalization, denormalization. All these things we discussed, and these are very, very important interview questions. Role playing dimension, confirmed dimension, junk dimension, degenerate dimension, slowly changing dimension, rapidly changing dimension, inferred dimension. These are the types of dimensions. Dimension ante enti? Dimension means a table, right? So where you have lot of textual data, lot of primary keys, right? So that data is called as a uh, dimensional data. So what are the types of dimensions means role playing dimension, confirmed dimension, junk dimension, degenerate dimension, slowly changing dimension, rapidly changing dimension, and inferred dimension, right? So now later, so you also should know what are the types of facts. Fact tables also, there are a lot of varieties. Fact tables are available. One is called fully additive fact table, semi-additive fact table, non-additive fact table, derived or calculated fact table, and factless fact table, textual fact table. So there are lots of varieties of dimension tables are available. There are lots of varieties of fact tables are available. So you please go through this. I'll upload two more videos. I'm not well to discuss these two classes today. What I do is that I'll give you two more videos. Okay, one video on types of dimensions and one more video on types of facts. Okay, watch them, these two videos, and complete them. So these are the last classes, okay, in the data warehousing. So types of dimensions and types of facts, I'll upload two videos, guys, and today you please complete them. And if you have any questions, I'll be able to take the questions. These are very, very simple, not very complex, completely theoretical. So since I'm not well because of cold and everything, so I cannot take these theory classes now. So you just please watch those videos and complete these two classes, types of dimensions and facts. And this is the end of the data warehousing. So data warehousing means a large database, historical data will be there, denormalized data will be there, and you will have more and more, transactional data or called as a, fact data will be there. And we have star schema and snowflake schema. Star schema means so where you have a less number of dimension tables are available. Dimension tables are directly, linked to the fact tables, and which are very, very good for reading the data, and more readability and faster readability will be there. But in case of, snowflake schema, where you have one dimension table is linked to one more dimension table, and you have lot of, tables will get created, which is a normalized architecture. Star schema is a denormalized architecture. Star schema is very, very, faster to read the data, and it is very, very slow to load the data. So when you have a star schema, ETL will be very, very slow, but reading the data will be very, very faster. In case of, snowflake schema, dumping the data, writing the data, who's going to be writing the data? ETL packages are going to be dumping the data. So ETLs are very, very faster in case of snowflake schema. And while reading the data, reading data is very, very slow in the case of snowflake schema, because you have more and more tables. More tables means, more normalized concept, more joins. So kabatti, more time to read the data. So those are very, very important, guys. Now, you also complete this, types of dimensions and facts. So two more videos, I'll upload them today, and you should be able to, complete, these classes. And this is the end of the data warehousing concept. Okay. So tomorrow, we don't have, from tomorrow, no classes. So 23rd, Thursday, Friday, we don't have any classes. And SSIS, I'm going to be starting from 27th. Same meeting ID is going to be working. So SSIS is going to be starting from coming Monday. Okay. So coming Monday means 27th. So December 27th, we're going to be starting what? SSIS. Okay. So it will be for 25 classes. So entire December 27th means till, next month end, January end, 27th to Jan end. Okay. So Jan 31st, okay, 2022, the complete 1 month, SSIS will be there. So it is very, very important. So you have to know SQL Server very well, and you are studying Power BI. So data warehousing, got over. Now we are now dealing with what? SSIS is going to start from when? Day after, that is from Monday, 27th to complete January. We're going to be having. It is very, very, very important tool. Okay. So again, don't ask me, Sajid, is it very important to learn? Don't ask me that kind of a question. So people who have completed SSIS, I strongly recommend them to start a project. Okay, a project, complete project on SSIS and data warehousing and SQL Server stored procedures. Everything is included. Okay, and tabular model cube, multi-dimensional model cube, and SSRS or Power BI reports. Okay, so you need to start a video based training. So we don't have live training, video based training. You can get the videos and try to start this probably from month of Jan. You should be able to include and start this, and simultaneously you also get sample CVs and get the documentation, everything from my team, and you should be able to prepare your CVs and upload them into the portal, right? If you need any placement help or documentation help, you can talk to. Okay, so job placement team is available. So 93981 and 18506, the last number. Okay, 93981 93981 18506. Okay, this is the number you should be able to reach for job placements and for the any kind of a documentation if you need. Okay, so documents if you need, you consult them and try to complete them. Okay, so is it okay, guys? Because end of the day, data warehousing is very, very important. So types of dimensions facts, I'm not going to take these two classes. since I'm not well. And these two videos I'll be uploading today. You watch them and you complete dimensions and facts. Very, very important. You will get a minimum two questions from the types of dimension. What is a role playing dimension? What is a conformal dimension? What is a junk dimension? Okay. What is slowly changing dimension? Compulsory interview questions. At least one or two questions are going to come. So you watch these videos. I'll be uploading today in the portal today. So you should be able to watch them and complete this. Okay. One is called the types of dimensions. Then the next one is the types of fact tables. Okay. So fully additive, semi-additive, non-additive, derived measure, derived fact, factless fact table, and we have a textual fact table. So these are very, very important things. So these are the last topics of data warehousing. From tomorrow, we don't have any data warehousing classes. Okay, from tomorrow, we don't have any data warehousing classes. Same time with the same meeting ID, we'll start SSIS from Monday morning 9:30. Clear, guys. So that is what you have to understand, guys. So SSIS will be starting from when? So SSIS is going to be starting from Monday, that is December 27th. Okay. So today is, what is the date? Today is 22nd, right? So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we don't have data warehousing. Remaining classes are there. So you watch two more videos of data warehousing so that will complete the entire data warehousing. So I have covered in depth of data warehousing, guys. I have covered in depth of data warehousing. You go anywhere. So whatever be the book you buy it, whatever be the course you take it from any any learning portal from we have simplylearn.com or unacademy, whatever you go, they're charging same course, 65,000 rupees, and people are getting also asking 1 lakh rupee minimum, but all of them are available to you with a lesser price and with high from very, very basic level to advanced level. Please make sure that you utilize it and you try to complete all of them. Okay, guys. So SSIS is very, very important. So people have completed. So mini project, I have given you one video, guys. So the data warehousing, I have forgot to upload that video. I have uploaded today. Mini project you start from today. Okay. So that is loading data into the data warehousing. So you watch that video and you start doing from today. Okay. So mini project you completed and you create the complete data warehousing from scratch. Clear? And the complete SSIS, and after that once you done the loading of the data into the data warehousing, so if you attended a tabular model cube, you create a tabular model cube also, and you work with the different Power BI reports. It is completely step by step. You need to work on that. Clear? So I have uploaded one video today. You just watch, and that video can tell you, that is a mini project I'm talking about, right? Amazon mini project. So that video I have uploaded today. You watch and you start doing the step. It is completely practical. Okay. The mini project also will give you lot of learning, how to load the data into the data warehousing of Amazon. Then after that, if you create a one small, cube with the help of Amazon project, then you work on all the reports, whatever be the reports that we have developed with the help of Adventure Works, right? So a lot of reports we have developed, right? So all the reports you can develop with the help of this project itself. Okay. Amazon project you start doing from today. Okay. So that video I have given. So please start the mini project. The major project. So once you upload the CV into the portal, so you try to start the major project. So, and if you need any other support, you should be able to call these guys and understand. Okay, and get the requirements done. Clear? So we'll have a few calls because of Christmas and everything. Calls are very, very less today, and probably from first week of next month, the calls will increase. People have completed SSIS and other stuff. so they can now ready to upload their CVs into the portals. And you need to fail for a few rounds, so that you can understand what kind of interview questions people are asking. So maximum 80 to 90% of the interview questions are covered under my SQL Server classes, SSIS classes, data warehousing classes, plus Power BI classes. You need not prepare a special interview questions anywhere. Completely take sample CVs and try to implement all the interview questions from my topics only, so that maximum things you will be able to crack. So initially you need to fail for at least 5 to 10 interviews. So that is what, if you're not able to crack, then anyhow we are there to help you for the placements and everything, so no worries about it. But you need to study SQL Server plus Power BI plus SSIS and data warehousing. Without SSIS and data warehousing, you should not appear for the interviews. You should not think about uh, creating CVs and everything. No, never. Okay. So data warehousing has to over, and SSIS also. I'm planning to start from December 27th. It will be for 1 month. So January end of next year, it goes till that time. So complete that, and after that only you start the project. And at the same time, in the month of February, you start the major project and try to implement it. So mini project is now, you start from today, because I have uploaded one video. So that video tells you how to load the data into the data warehousing for Amazon project. So you load the data. So after that, if you know tabular model cube, you create a cube and work with the different Power BI reports on that. Clear? If you need a major project, so that is going to begin starting from SSIS to SQL Server to tabular model cube, and or multidimensional cube, plus SSRS and Power BI reports. That is also one more major project. So that will give you more and more learning points, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me, guys. And from tomorrow, no data warehousing classes. So I'll upload the two more topics videos. You watch them and take down the notes, guys. Clear? Yeah. Any other questions?